Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains, North Carolina. And tonight I've got something super cool to share with you. The owners of HamRadioMall.com reached out to me and asked me if I'd be interested in reviewing a radio for them. And I said, you betcha, big guy, because I love radios. So I looked at their page, and you know, in all the years that I've been playing with CB and ham radio, I have never owned a BaoFeng radio. So I was happy enough to see that they had a nice one on their website, and I decided to get the BaoFeng, I think it's the 82, yeah, UV-82. So this is it. It came in the mail last night, out here in the shop right now, and I'm going to do this little unboxing video. We'll kind of look at what comes in it, and then we'll make a part two where I'll go through some of the features and functions. Now, BaoFeng's been around a long time. I know there has been some confusion. I haven't really followed it all that closely about whether or not they're FCC approved. This one does have some markings on it that indicate that it certainly is, so we will go through that and take a closer look. But let's go ahead and look at the package. And it's a pretty nice looking package here. Lithium battery, voice broadcast, sound quality clear, transmission distance. So it's listing some stuff here. Look at what they have accessories available for it. Portable two-way radio, and yeah, I'm not sure. Battery saver, and then there's our model number here. BaoFeng two-way dual band ham radio. So let's go ahead and open this puppy up and see what we got here. All right, so right off the bat, looks like we have software and a software cable, USB operator, which is nice. So that's probably for the programming of channels. That's cool that that comes with it. Then we have, oh, cool, Vox. Got a little mic and got a little earphone there. That is super nice to have Vox hook up there. I've not seen that in a kit before, so that's kind of cool. In fact, I don't think I've ever used Vox other than in the military. Very neat. Good. Got a nice user manual here. Let's go ahead and take a look at it real quick. Dual band radio. Good. So it's in English. I like that. Cool. Nice. And then we get into it. Here's our antenna. I'll go ahead and get that out of the box. Go ahead. There we go. Nice little rubber ducky antenna. I'll lay that aside here. And looks like here's our charging base. Yep, charger. What we got here? Oh, wow. Well, that's cool. Has a nice microphone attachment so you can use it as kind of a base. Very nice. That's unusual. Didn't know that was going to be in the kit. It's a very well populated kit. It's got all the good stuff in it. BaoFeng. Very cool. I had no idea. I like it. Go ahead and set this over a little bit here. There we go. Power supply for our charger. No doubt I'll be needing that. And it looks like we've got our battery here. Yep, BaoFeng battery. And then lastly, the radio itself. Oh, there's some other stuff in here. We got our belt clip. Looks like that needs to be attached. Got our lanyard. That's always good to have. What's this over here? Oh, look at that. Long-range antenna. Nice. I like it. We'll go with that one since I'm out in the middle of nowhere here. So there we are, BaoFeng. Wait a minute. It comes with a second battery. Excellent deal, dude. Okay, cool. Wow. That is quite a set. I've got to say, I'm impressed. We've got two antennas. We've got quite a bit of accessories, Vox, and a plug-in, plus, of course, on here. And then the radio itself, two batteries. I mean, that's a pretty good deal here. So that'll be going on there when I get a chance to screw that on. I'm liking that. I'm liking that. I doubt this thing. Oh, my gosh. Wow. It actually does have power. It does power up. That's nice. Obviously, it'll need to be charged, but dual band FM transceiver. It has, as far as the quality, the feel of it, nice hard case, hard plastic case. Looks like under here is where we're going to have, yep, there's our plugins for our mic. And that's very nice there. And what do we got over here? Mode select, channel up and down select. Lots of stuff going on here. Huh. I think that's a flashlight. Yep.
Channel mode.
Sure is. It's a flashlight. I like that. It has a voice operated command. That's cool that it's going to speak to me. So that's I like that a lot too. Let me go ahead. I'll charge it for a little while, and I don't know if I'll have time today to make a part two. But special thanks to HamRadioMall.com. very, very cool of them to ask me to review a product for them, and big shout out to them for letting me do that for them. I have always wanted a BaoFeng. This is a dual bander, and it's the UV82, so I'll definitely make a follow-up video with some use on it. Maybe we'll do some range tests now that I have a 2-meter base set up here, and we'll just see what kind of range, especially with that longer antenna, see what kind of range we can get out of that. So I guess that'll be it for today or for tonight, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this or the mall itself, let me know. Be happy to try to answer those for you. And until next time, take care.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet.